Oh, the city wakes up slowly, smoke hangs heavy in the air. Another Tuesday creeping out, with no one knowing where we are. Streetlights dripping amber streets on the wet black pavement ground. Echoes of last night's whispered words, echoes of last night's whispered words, still ringing all around. Just the rattle of the bus tires and the distant sirens cry. Another day begins to blur beneath the pale, indifferent sky. Thought I found the rhythm, thought I knew the beat, but the melody just slips right off my feet. Left me stranded in the gray haze, counting down the hours of these endless days. Oh, daybreak blur, yeah, the color runs so watercolor smear, too beautiful to let. Catching those bright ephemeral shades of scene. We are the whisper and the shine, the light and the deep. Waking up before the promises we keep. Remember talking till the dawn arrived, about forever and the things we crave. A promise that the tide would save. Now the sun breaks through a milky perfect light, lost between the morning and the night. Thought I found the rhythm, thought I knew the beat, but the melody just slipped right off my feet. Left me stranded in the gray haze, counting down the hours of these endless days. Oh, daybreak blur, yeah, the color runs so watercolor smear, too beautiful to lie. Catching those bright ephemeral shades of green. The curtain rises, the shadows fall away, leaving just the memory of yesterday. Electric glow on the chimney pot tonight, just waiting for the coming of the light. Shades of green, feeling ever seen. We are the whisper and the shine, the light and the deep. Waking up before the promises we keep. Blur, just a blur, just a blur. Daybreak fade, the blue and gold. Another morning passing slow.